Hello everyone, this is Dulce from Canada. I've been in Canada for like 11 years already, and I've been doing this paperwork for a long time, applying for EI, immigration, what else? Disability tax credit, whatever, whatnot, like whatever that I can help my people, my friends for free, and my family for free. So, like, because with this EI, applying for EI in Canada, I've been like helping a couple, I think 10 people already, my friends, my family, without charging them. So sometimes it's frustrating. So I said, okay, I'll just upload it on YouTube and I can help lots of people, not just 10. So, so here it goes. So how to apply for EI in Canada? It's going to be a regular benefit brought about by COVID-19, and I'll show you a step by step in English version. If you want me to do it in Tagalog version, just give me a shout out. Okay. On search one, step one, you go on your browser, go to Google, and type in applying for EI Alberta. Usually, like, because there's lots of scams out there, make sure you click on the right website. So it says www.canada.ca benefits or EI regular benefits apply canada.ca. If the website is like suspicious, don't click on it. So that's the step one. After you've seen it, the screen will pop up like this. So if you have read or heard in the news how to apply in Canada, who are like eligible, so we just go straight to applying. When you pop that screen, it already says apply. So click on apply. Next, step 3. It's okay not to read whatever for who are eligible. If you click you're eligible, just click on it and click ready to start. If you have your own My Service Canada account, you can go on it. But right now, it's because a lot of people, million Canadian and permanent resident, even people who are work permit have applied. So this is the easiest step. So click on ready to start. So when you click on ready to start, there's a first question there. Are you trying to retrieve an application you began within the last 72 hours but you did not complete? Just click on no, because like even you have the temporary code and you click it, because of too many people applying it at the same time, you still cannot use that temporary code. So just click no and you do it again. The temporary code looks like this. It's not a mail temporary code. This is the temporary code, like when you go on it and like, oh, I missed my direct deposit claim. Direct deposit info. Oh, I don't know what to write on that. So this is how it looks like. It's not the one that comes from mail. It's the temporary code online. Okay, next. And then I'll be focusing on